here at Proofpoint Protect in Nashville, Tennessee, talking about how cybersecurity can be supercharged by the latest in artificial intelligence. And joining me now with more is Molly McLain Sterling. She's Senior Director of Global Cybersecurity Strategy. Molly, welcome.
Thank you so much for having me.
Yeah, it's great to be joined by you here at the event in Nashville. I want to talk about cyber in particular and how Proofpoint is helping institutions defend against social engineering.
Oh, we are seeing social engineering so often in attacks, and we have about 2.7 million customers around the world. And from that amazing data set that we have, we are able to study and understand how threat actors behave and what their intent is. And we have some of the best threat researchers in the world also that add to that. And we put that into our models, and those models then can understand intent and stop social engineering really, really effectively.
Interesting. I want to hear from your perspective too. How do culture and cybersecurity go hand in hand?
I love that you asked that question because so often culture is forgot about when we're talking about technical things. And there's really so much there for us to connect the human and the tech. When we find that balance and understand how people actually work, after all, they have day jobs other than security, then we can have much more effective programs.
How does your job help embed that in the culture?
It's really how you approach it. So making it as easy as possible to do the right thing. And that's what we try to do with all of our products and our solutions at Proofpoint.
It's absolutely fascinating. I want to talk about stakeholders as well, how they come in, how you can influence them, and how you're guiding CISOs and security leaders to build strategic initiatives and engage so cybersecurity can be seen as something very important.
Yes, it absolutely needs to be a business enabler. That's how we want to approach it. And I was honored yesterday to host our inaugural Women Who Cyber at Protect, and our topic was influence. So it's fantastic that you brought that up. What we talked about there was putting yourself in the shoes of your business stakeholders to understand their needs, their fears, their stresses, and then approaching it from that lens. That will give you so much farther faster.
Security awareness obviously is very important when it comes to AI, and as AI agents do take on more human-like tasks, how do you see security awareness programs evolving?
Yes, they will become so much more specific to the individual. A training that you might have would be different than a training that I might have, and we're already seeing that at Proofpoint, but just specific and very, very timely. In the moment training, in the moment nudges, in the moment guiding. We're already right on the cusp of that and doing that in a lot of places, but I think it will just continue to be more and more specific to the individual.
Yeah, I want to end with something fun. Molly, we've been asking the guests here this question. I'm sure you have a good answer. If AI could plan your next vacation, where would it send you?
Ooh, gosh, that's such a hard choice. I would go to the Naya Crystal Lagoons in Costa Rica.
Okay, that sounds pretty nice.
Yeah, you want to join me?
Yeah, I'll definitely be there,
Okay.
Virtually if not in person.
There you go.
Molly, thank you so much for sitting down with me here at Proofpoint Protect.
Absolutely. Thank you for having me.